Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer and choose Open. After that, wait for pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose Allow and tap Home button. Over here, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Then click on this little gear icon over here, select Default App Settings and click on Launcher. Over here, tap on iOS 1, choose Change and click Home button. As you can see, after clicking on it, I can enjoy iOS Launcher on my Android. But you can always go back into the Android default launcher by clicking on Settings again, going back into the same ones, so Default App Settings, then Launcher, but this time selecting Huawei Home and tapping Home button as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!